are interior forend weights. They're developed alongside the ACC chassis, and they're designed to fit inside the forend. Each one of these little weights is about a little over half a pound of steel, and they're designed to go inside the chassis and be able to slide up and down along the forend to better tune your balance system, as well as provide a little overall weight for the chassis. When all 5 are installed, you get a little over 2.5 pounds for your chassis system. They have mounting holes in the bottom, as well as unthreaded holes to allow you to slide them easily along the inside of the forend. So right now we have our barreled action sitting separate from the chassis. These interior forend weights can be placed in the chassis system before or after your barreled action, but right now we know that we're going to want a little bit of extra weight besides from what our barrel provides to this chassis system. So we're going to add just a couple in there, and then later if we want to fine-tune the balance a little bit or fine-tune the weight just a little bit, we can add a couple more without having to actually remove the barrel action. So we'll drop the interior weight into the top there, hold it in place, and then attach it just by threading in by hand one of these provided screws. We'll flip the whole chassis over, snug that one up with our tool, and then put the other 3 provided screws in it. I would recommend a blue or green Loctite on these screws once you know that you want them to stay in your chassis, just as there can be a lot of vibration through a fully built rifle system. All right, all 4 screws are snugged up, and that's going to be right at the back of our barrel channel. We have space in there for the other 4 if we'd like to install them, but we'll worry about that later when we come to actually balancing the full system. For now, what we'll do is we'll throw in the barreled action, install it in there, snug it up, and then get the rest of the accessories before properly balancing the system.